Welcome students, let me continue our next class on limits and continuity. See, in this class mainly I would like to continue your exercise 12.1. See first problem what he has given. Evaluate the following limits 1 to 22. You need to evaluate means to find the value of the limit here. See the first question, few questions for about 4 to 5 questions. They can be solved by direct substitution method. See the first problem, limit x tends to 3, x plus 3 is there here. Limit x tends to 3 and then x plus 3 is there here. Let us substitute x equal to 3. X tends to 3 means x equal to 3. You substitute in place of x, so it is 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6. It is a finite value, it is not indeterminate. So that's why the value of this limit is equal to 6 here. Similarly, next question, limit x tends to 5 and then x minus 22 divided by 7 you write here. So this is equal to what we can write here, x equal to pi. So pi minus 22 divided by 7 you write here. And then next question you see here, and you know already pi value is nothing but what, 22 divided by 7. So put this value and then difference is 0. So the answer for this question is 0 here. So let us move to the next question. Limit r tends to 1, pi r square is there here. Limit r tends to 1, pi r square. Pi r square is there here. This is the given question. This is equal to directly substitution. Nothing to calculate here. Pi as it is, r is 1 to the power 2. So your answer is pi into 1 square is 1 only. Pi into 1 is pi itself here. So the answer is pi. Now let us move to the next question. See the question follows like this. 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Let me take into consideration the limit. X tends to 4. 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. This is the given limit. X tends to 4 is there. It means x equal to 4. You substitute here. So 4 into 4. 4 into 4 plus 3. 4 into 4 plus 3 divided by x minus 2. That is nothing but 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So this is 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. 16 plus 3 is 19. So the answer is 19 divided by 2. This is what the answer for the fourth question here. 19 divided by 2. Now let us move to the next question. Limit x raised to 10, x tends to minus 1. X to the power 10 plus x to the power 5 plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is there here. Let me rewrite the question. Let me write the question. You also write along with me. X tends to minus 1. X raised to 10 plus x raised to 5 and then plus 1 divided by what is there here? X minus 1 is there here. X tends to minus 1. That you substitute in the given expression. So it leads to minus 1 to the power 10 plus minus 1 to the power 5 plus 1 whole divided by what you can write here, minus 1 and then minus 1 here. X is tending to minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 10 is plus 1 because even power. Minus 1 to the power 5 which is odd, that's why it is minus 1 here. And then plus 1 you write divided by minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. What remains? 1 upon 2 remains with negative sign. 1 divided by minus 2. It is nothing but what you can write here, minus 1 by 2 you can write. Is it clear? See students, here this problem can be solved on the basis of standard limit. Because if you substitute x equal to 0 directly, you see what happens. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. It is 0 by 0 form. Direct substitution is not possible here. So you need to use the standard limit. See, x tends to 0 is there. X plus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 divided by x. There are two methods. You can expand x plus 1 to the power 5 by using binomial theorem, and then if possible you cancel x and then substitute the value, you will get the answer. That is one way. Otherwise, substitution method here. How to perform the substitution method and then apply the standard limit. Somewhat tricky, please concentrate here. X plus 1 raised to 5 and then minus 1 divided by x is there here. Please concentrate carefully. I would like to substitute x plus 1 is equal to z. x plus 1 is equal to y in this case. See, x plus 1 is equal to y I would like to take. See, this x plus 1 equal to y I would like to take. By doing so, see, whenever you substitute something in the limit, tending limit also changes here. In what manner you see? When x plus 1 is equal to y, here denominator x is there, this x is in terms of y, it becomes y minus 1 one thing. When the old limit, existing limit, you see here, x tends to 0. X tends to 0. X tends to 0. Then y tends to what? The new variable what we have chosen y. Y tends to what? That you need to calculate here. See, you put x is equal to 0 here. E place na 0 tumko matter. Above. 0 plus 1 is 1 only. So y is equal to 1. Y is equal to what here? 1. So y tends to 1 we can write. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ತುಂಬಿದ್ರಿ. ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ ಆವಾಗ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 1 ಆಯಿತು. y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ y ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 here. So whenever you make the substitution, you need to change the tending limit also in terms of the new variable, and the expression is to be completely changed in terms of the new variable. You cannot keep a numerator in terms of y and denominator x as it is. Entirely you need to change into the variable y here. So tending limit and the entire expression you need to change, and then by doing so what happens, what is the benefit of that? Let us see here. You will come to know just after the calculation. You will come to know. Please concentrate here. Somewhat tricky. Easy here, no difficulty, but first time you are facing. That's why it seems to be somewhat difficult for you. See, this is equal to limit. I would like to write y tends to 1. I have substituted here. X plus 1 is nothing but y to the power 5 minus 1 divided by x means y minus 1. See the simplification there. See, you write this one as limit y tends to 1, limit y tends to 1, y to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 5. Can you visualize this in this form? Limit x tends to a, limit x tends to a, you need to apply now, limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a. This is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. This is a standard limit. Exactly this situation is in that pattern here, in the standard limit pattern. You visualize that and then tell me its answer. How to write in the right side? Right side part hage baribeku. N a raised to n minus 1 can be written as. You will be visible there. Please go there. How you are going to write? In place of n, in place of n, 5 is there. Okay, 5 into 1 raised to n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 here. So your answer is 5 into 1. So final answer is 5 only. Followed this or any doubt in this situation? I have completed the calculation. The answer is 5. Okay, shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you see next question. 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4 is there. By oral observation, you will see that it can be solved by factorization method. If you put x equal to 2 directly, definitely it will take 0 by 0 form. You may check. 2 square is 4, 3 is 12. 12 minus 10 plus 2 minus 2, that is 0. Denominator is obviously 0 here. Definitely it is 0 by 0 form. Now for that purpose, I would like to separately factorize 3x square minus x minus 10. Please tell me, what about this factorization? 10 into 3, 30x square. How do you split it? 10 and 3, 30. 10, 3 not possible. 6 and 5 is possible. 3x square minus 6x plus 5x. See, the difference is leading to minus x. and the product is equal to the product of first and last terms. So write minus 10 as it is. Take 3x common. By taking 3x common, what remains? X remains. Minus 3 2s are 6. X is taken already common. 5 you take common, x minus 2. X minus 2 here. 5 into bracket x minus 2. So take x minus 2 common. By taking x minus 2 common, it becomes 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 here. So let us consider the given problem. This is limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. This is the given problem here. See, the numerator can be written as limit x tends to 2 as it is. 3x square minus x minus 10 can be written as x minus 2 into 3x plus 5. I have factorized this. And then denominator is x square minus 4. How can you write x square minus 4 as the product of two factors? Can you tell me?
X square minus 2 square.
X square minus 2 square factors directly you cannot visualize. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ.
X plus 2 into x minus.
You can use at this ಈಗ ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಡಲೇಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. You can use directly. So x minus 2 cancels. So remains what? Limit x tends to 2. X tends to 2. 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now you substitute directly x equal to 2. Direct evaluation now. 3 into x is 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 and 5 is 11. 11 divided by 4. 11 by 4 here. So this is what the answer for this question. Very easy, simple question. Let us move to the next question. X raised to 4 minus 81. Limit x tends to 3. X raised to 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. See, this is equal to limit x tends to 3. This can be written as x square bracket square minus of what square? 9 square here. 9 square is 81 divided by. Denominator can also be factorized. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 6x square. So that this is minus 6x plus x. The difference is minus 6x square. And the difference leads to minus 5x. Product is minus 6x square. Now this is minus 3. So 2x you take common. X minus 3 now it is. 2 3s are 6 x plus 1 into bracket x minus 3. This is equal to, take x minus 3 common here, x minus 3 into bracket 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is x minus 3 into bracket 2x plus 1. So this is equal to limit x tends to 3, x square bracket square minus 9 square. This can be written as x square plus 9, one factor. Another factor is x square minus 9 whole divided by x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Now let us factorize again numerator. You write x square plus 1, limit x tends to 3. See, this x square plus 9 I would like to write as it is. X square plus 9. No change in this case. But x square minus 9 can be factorized as x plus 3 into x minus 3. X plus 3 into x minus 3. ಹಾಗಂತ x square plus 9 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ಬೇಡ. That is not possible. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 here. Now it is the time to eliminate. What we can eliminate here? X minus 3 and x minus 3 can be eliminated. And write the remaining value. Then you see what happens. This is limit x tends to 3, x square plus 9 into bracket x plus 3. This is what numerator. And denominator is 2x plus 1. Denominator is 2x plus 1 here. Okay. So substitute now x is equal to 3. It becomes 3 square plus 9, one bracket, another bracket 3 plus 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1. Let us simplify this. 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 into 6 divided by 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 54 by 7 according to me. Let us check the answer. This is question number 108 by 7 is there, no answer. 18, 6 is the difference, multiplication 108.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. 18 5 is a 90 plus 18, 108. So the final answer is 108 by 7. This is what the answer, 108 divided by 7. I hope you followed the solution. Let us move to the next question. This is limit x tends to 0, ax plus b divided by cx plus ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು cx plus 1 ಇದೆ. Okay, substitute here x equal to 0, so a into 0 plus b divided by cx, c into 0 plus 1 here. Direct substitution. A into 0 is 0 plus b, c into is 0 plus 1 here. So 0 plus b is b divided by 1. B divided by 1 is equal to what we will get here? B will get here. So this is what the answer for this question here. So let us move to the next question. Somewhat tricky question here. Standard limit you need to use, but some trick is there here. See, this is equal to limit z tends to 1. Z tends to 1. Z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by z raised to 6 minus 1. Concentrate carefully, try to understand the funda here. Limit z tends to 1. I would like to rearrange the terms in this manner. Z to the power 1 by 3 is there. 1 to the power 1 by 3 I can write. No problem. Divided by z minus 1 extra I would like to take. Whole divided by z to the power 6 is there, minus 1 to the power 6 I would like to write, and then z minus 1 extra I would like to take. The extra division what you have done z minus 1 for the numerator term, that is done to the denominator also. So the term will be balanced. No need, no any extra term there. Now it is the time to split both. Limit z tends to 1 to both numerator as well as denominator. You are using this basic property, which is that, just I would like to recall here. See, use this result. Limit x tends to a, f of x divided by z of x. X tends to a, f of x divided by z of x is equal to, this limit is applicable to both numerator as well as denominator. Limit x tends to a, z of x here, division rule. So by the rules of limits, the limit symbol can be applied to both numerator and denominator. So numerator is limit x tends to, z tends to 1, z raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 divided by z minus 1. It is a standard limit now. X raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a for. In place of x, z is there here. In place of n, 1 by 3 is there. Next denominator, limit z tends to 1. Z raised to 6 minus 1 raised to 6. Z raised to 6 minus 1 raised to 6. 1 minute. What's the problem? Helama?
Z to the power 1 by 6 ಆಯ್ತು.
Z to the power 1 by 6 ಇದೆ ಏನೋ ಟರ್ಮ. Yes. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. 1 by 6 ಇಟ್ಕೊರಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಎರರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅದಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Z to the power 1 by 6, right? You take power 1 by 6 here. Then it becomes z to the power 1 by 6, z to the power 1 by 6 divided by z minus 1, you keep as it is. Now it is converted into the standard form, n a to the power n minus 1. In place of n 1 by 3, a means 1 to the power n minus 1, 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by, here in the power is n, 1 by 6. In place of n, 1 by 6 is there. X raised to n minus a raised to n, you recall. A is 1 to the power n minus 1, that is 1 by 6 minus 1 here. So this is 1 by 3, 1 raised to any fraction that leads to 1 here, you leave it. 1 by 3 into 6 by 3. 1 by 6 becomes 6 by 3. Sorry. Where mind is it? 6 by 1, no, it is. 1 by 6 becomes 6 by 1. 3 1 ga, 3 2 za, so the answer is 2. Let me check the answer. The answer is 2. Yes, it is correct. The next question, that is what the 11th question. Limit extends to 1 is there here. Limit extends to 1. Ax square plus bx plus c divided by cx square plus bx plus a. Now directly you substitute x equal to 1. Then you see what happens. After substituting x equal to 1, no need to write the limit. A into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c you write divided by c into 1 square plus b into 1 plus a you write here. A into 1 square is a only, b into 1 is b plus c you write divided by c square, c into 1 square is c only plus b plus a. See, a plus b plus c numerator, denominator is also a plus b plus c. You observe carefully. Denominator is a plus b plus c. So it will cancel and the answer is 1. Next question, 12th question. See, bit of simplification is there here. Limit x tends to minus 2. 1 by x plus 1 by 2 whole divided by x plus 2 is there here. This is the given limit. Let us simplify the numerator. This is the limit x tends to minus 2, 2 plus x divided by 2x. I have taken LCM divided by x plus 2. Simply I have taken the LCM, nothing. Now this is equal to limit x tends to minus 2, x tends to minus 2. Simplify this, 2 plus x divided by 2x, one thing. This is 1 upon x plus 2. X plus 2 and 2 plus x both are same. It will be cancelled. 2 plus x and this x plus 2 cancels. What remains? Limit x tends to minus 2, x tends to minus 2, 1 by 2x remains. 1 upon 2x. 1 upon 2x. Wherever x is there, you substitute minus 2. So 1 upon 2 into minus 2. So the answer is minus 1 by 4. This completes the solution for this example. Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.